How na dey? Today we wan talk about history, and the history wey we wan talk about na the history of money. Before money reach the level wey e dey so, e don get some processes wey e pass through before e reach this level wey e dey. The first thing wey we wan talk about na trade by barter system. That trade by barter system na the system wey e be say if I wan chop ogbono soup but I no get ogbono seed, and person but na yam I get and another person get ogbono seed, I go carry my yam give am to the person wey get ogbono seed, collect ogbono seed from am, then I go cook my ogbono soup. Na so the system dey work. So simply said, trade by barter system na system wey e be say you use your goods wey you get exchange with another person to get the goods wey you need. So simply talk na using what you have to get wetin you want. So but that system e no too dey pay people, because what if I no wan come chop yam and you dey carry your yam come give me and I get ogbono soup? I no go gree collect na. Na im make people come enter the usage of cowry. People come dey use cowry small small, you know cowry na, that when people dey put for their hair na, they come dey use am dey do exchange. But that time, just to collect ordinary yam, person go bring bag of plenty plenty cowry to collect yam. The system no too dey favour us that time, but as oyibo come when dem come bring in their own system, dem come bring coin, gold coin. Then dem first start with copper, from copper enter gold and silver and all those things. Na im people come dey use before we come finally dey get coins, dey get paper money wey we come dey use now. So if people dey ask say this cryptocurrency na real money, we need to first remember say money don pass through certain processes before money reach this level wey we dey talk of. So when we dey talk say this cryptocurrency na money, you no need to dey fear, because na another process wey money dey go through be this. So the only simple thing wey I just wan teach una today na just the history of money, how money use reach this level when money dey so. So you go get am in mind when dem dey tell you about cryptocurrency say na money we dey talk about, no be say we dey talk about another thing.